You're watching 2 Minutes Fitness with Gauhar Khan. Work from home is old. Workout at home is new. मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि सिर्फ 2 मिनट में आप कैसे अपने बिजी वर्क लाइफ में भी फिट रह सकते हैं। 2 मिनट वर्कआउट, कहीं भी, कभी भी। Pilates is a great form of exercise that helps strengthen your core, which is the powerhouse of your body. Here are a few great mat Pilates exercises that incorporate all 4 types of spinal mobility: flexion, extension, rotation, and lateral flexion. Because as Joseph Pilates said, you are as young as your spine is flexible. Series of 5 combines the following 5 great mat Pilates exercises: single leg stretch, double leg stretch, single straight leg stretch, double straight leg stretch, and crisscross. Single leg stretch. Lying on your back, bend one knee into your chest, bringing the inside hand to the knee and outside hand to the ankle. Curl up just until the top of your shoulder blades are off the mat. Switch the legs and arms to the opposite side. Keep your torso still and move only your arms and legs. Keep your shoulders down and away from your ears and your elbows wide. Double leg stretch. Pull both your knees into your chest with your hands on your ankles and curl up like a ball. Reach the legs out straight and the arms up overhead without changing the shape of the spine. Exhale while drawing the legs and arms back into the start position. Keep the head and upper body in the same position throughout. Don't let the back arch up. Single straight leg stretch. Reach one leg to the ceiling and lower the other leg down without changing the position of the lower back and torso. Place the hands as far up as you can reach without bending the knee. Exhale and switch the legs without moving the torso. Keep the head and upper body in the same position throughout the exercise. Keep the shoulders away from the ears and the collarbones wide across your chest. Double straight leg stretch. This is the most difficult of the 5 exercises in series of 5, so if you have any lower back pain or injuries, avoid this exercise. Lace your hands behind your head and lift your head and upper body up off the mat. Reach the legs straight up to the ceiling to bring your knees above your hips and zip your legs together nice and tight. Exhale while lowering both legs together to the floor without changing the position of the lower back and the torso. Inhale to bring the legs back up to the starting position. Keep the elbows wide throughout the exercise. Lower the legs only until you are able to maintain the position of the lower back. Crisscross. Hands are behind the head and the head and torso are lifted. Rotate the torso to reach the rib cage towards the opposite knee. Switch to the other side. Keep the elbows wide and the hips steady. Imagine you have 2 cups of coffee on both hips. Don't spill the coffee. Having no time is not an excuse. I mean, I can understand that taking out time can be difficult. इसीलिए तो मैं यहाँ हूँ ताकि मैं आपको बता सकूं कि सिर्फ 2 मिनट में आप फिट कैसे रह सकते हैं, और ये आप दिन के किसी भी वक्त कर सकते हैं। Take 2 minutes out for fitness with me, Gohar, and feel the difference. I'm right here for you.